रसोई। आप लोग के साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है? आपने सोचा कि ब्रेकफास्ट में नूडल्स बनाते हैं। आपने जैसे ही नूडल्स का पैकेट खोला, आपके सामने 3 ऑर्डर्स आ गए। किसी को चाहिए हक्का नूडल्स इन रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल, किसी को चाहिए हक्का नूडल्स इन स्ट्रीट स्टाइल, एंड किसी को चाहिए सूपी नूडल्स. And now you're in dilemma to pick whose order. What if I say that you can pick all the 3 orders at the same time? Do you want to know how? In this video, I will show you how to make 3 dishes with same ingredients with 1 pack of noodles. Sounds interesting, right? So let's get started.
These are the ingredients required for making the Hakka noodles. Here I have taken a bowl and added 2.5 tumbler of water and kept it to boiling. Then I will add a pinch of salt into it. Add 1 spoon of cooking oil to the boiling water so that it will restrict the impact of the noodle strands with each other. Then I will add noodles to it. This is very tricky and crucial step while cooking the noodles. So the best way is to boil the noodles for 1 minute and then switch off the stove and cover the container with the lid and keep it aside for 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes, and rinse it with the cold water. Then I will place a pan on the stove, add 1 spoon butter to it, and then I will add a bowl of mushrooms chopped in big pieces.
Nice. Mix. By the time the mushroom get fried, I just want to share the few facts about the noodles. So, guys, do you know noodles have been staple food for Chinese people for over 4,000 years, and it came to India in 2023 BC, and originally was the one of the first kind of noodles that Indians have tasted. Cool, right? And one more. There is one more similarity between German noodles and noodles. Do you know what is that? To know that, you have to stick to this video till the end of it. Then I will reveal the answer. Okay? Now let's go.
Now here mushrooms are nicely cooked. Now I will add pinch of salt and half spoon of pepper to it. Now mushrooms are cooked, so I will transfer all of it to a separate bowl. Now heat the pan, add 2 spoons of oil to it, add 1 big size chopped onion, 4 chilies, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot, finely chopped ginger and garlic. You have to be very careful while chopping the tomato. We want only the outer part of the tomato sliced into the long pieces. Then add 1 spoon of salt into it. Once all of these are partially cooked, we have to transfer it to the separate plate and leave a part of it into the pan. Then add portion of cooked noodles to it.
And here I am taking Ching's Hakka noodles. Both are looking same. Ching's Hakka noodles. Neither I am promoting this brand, neither I am talking that you have to use this only. I found this is more reliable as per taste and as per the ingredients. So it has all the ingredients that I want. So what I will do is I'll just, as per the quantity, I'll just take and 1/4 spoon of it and add it to our noodles.
Then I will add our fried mushrooms on the top of it, and I will take it in a serving plate. So here we have restaurant style Hakka noodles. So to make street style spicy noodles, we have to add other portion of fried vegetables to the pan.
In this, I will add half a spoon of soya sauce, half a spoon of vinegar, half a spoon of chili sauce. Here I will add half spoon of pepper in it. Once these masalas are nicely cooked, we will add this boiled noodles in this with mushrooms on it.
Now our street style noodles are ready to be served. Now to make soupy noodles, we have to heat the pan, add chopped carrot, chopped spring onions, Once these are partially cooked, we will add last portion of fried vegetables.
Once this is fried nicely, I will add 2 spoons of soya sauce, 1 big spoon of vinegar, and 1 spoon of chili sauce, and 1 spoon of tomato ketchup. Once all of the ingredients are nicely cooked, I will add 1 big tumbler of water in it.
And wait till it gets boiled.
Once this is nicely boiled and cooked, I will add these noodles into this soup.
Boil it for 5 minutes by closing the lid. After that, your soupy noodles are ready to be served.
Soupy noodles, restaurant style Hakka noodles, and street style Hakka noodles. So well guys, finally I have prepared 3 dishes with same ingredients and 1 pack of noodles. So if you find this video interesting and helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos and content like this. So if you remember, I asked you one question in the starting of the video, and if you're still wondering for the answer is oodles. I'm sorry, there is no similarity, it's just oodles. I just played with you guys. So keep rocking, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.